That's me, Victoria Patel. I'm focused and driven, and I can be forceful. I think it's a strength of mine, one of my best, really. But as you can see here, though I'm energized by my forceful approach to challenges, that's not how the team saw it. When I set out to reach a goal, I'm comfortable being persuasive until everyone is aligned because I'm loyal to the commitments I make. Some might see that combination as domineering. And I know that my strengths don't always get the results I want. Sometimes they actually create more conflict than collaboration. I could tell you some stories. I know I push too hard sometimes, but it's because I'm passionate about what I'm doing. That's when it hit me. I realized that it's possible to overdo my strengths. And I learned that I have many other strengths that could help me achieve my goals more effectively. I don't have to be limited by the strengths that have worked for me in the past. My strengths are up to me, but they have to work for others too. But I had to learn the hard way. Let me start at the beginning. When I started in this role 3 years ago, I was on a mission to make a good impression. I had high expectations, and I was really looking forward to delivering results with the team. I love a challenge. It's my core, my motivational value system, my MVS. I know that's a big idea, but basically my motives drive the strengths I use every day. I'm alert to opportunities and want to act quickly. That's who I am at the core, and the more I understand what matters to me, the more effective I am in my life and work. Now listen, knowing your motives is only half the story. More on that in a second. I remember when I met my team for the first time. That's when I got into trouble. I failed to realize that others had different motives. And when I'm not careful, I'm so driven to get things done that I don't take enough time to get to know them at their core. The reality is, we really want the same thing, to do great work. But they might value different approaches. Everyone's MVS is a blend of 3 primary motives: concern for people, performance, and process. The blue motive is a drive to help people. Red is about performance. And green is about order and process. Everyone has a different blend of all 3. My red motives drive me to get things done. I'm happiest when I give direction and see results. Amy's blue motives drive her to help people. She really cares and is extremely supportive. Mark's green motives drive him to get clarity about the process before we go too far down the road. Realizing that I wasn't getting their best, I learned the 3 colours, and it helped me understand the motives of my team. Knowing their motives has helped me to interact better with them and who they are at their core. I know Mark likes to analyse and thoroughly consider all the data. He values facts over risk, so I need to give him time to consider so he's not put off by my quick decisions. Amy cares about helping people and their feelings, so I need to acknowledge the effects on others more so she can see that I am not solely focused on getting the job done at all cost. But there is a way to use the right strength without overdoing it in a way that's mindful of others' motives. It's a win-win. You achieve your goals while speaking their language and honouring their motives and values. Understanding your team's MVS allows you to bring the right strengths and get better results in your working relationships. It's relationship intelligence and teamwork on a new level. And when I find myself focused only on results, I just have to remember it's not results over relationships. It's results through relationships.